Hello! In this lesson, you will learn most commonly used financial functions. Let's consider a loan with $500,000, annual interest rate is 6%, and duration is 10 years or 120 months. Now, if we want to calculate monthly payment for such type loan as an annuity, it means with constant payments and constant interest rates, we can use PMT function. Let's write PMT for calculation the payment. Open the bracket. Here we have to fill interest rate. Let's take from this cell. N pair, which means the duration, and present value of loan amount. We have to divide interest rate to 12 because here we want to calculate the monthly payment, but interest rate in this example is annual. Now let's close the bracket, and we got the monthly payment. Now, for the same example, let's suppose that we have monthly payment, also interest rate and duration, and we need to calculate the initial amount of loan. For this purpose, we will use PV function, present value. Let's write PV, open the bracket, select rate, again divide by 12, duration, number of months, and payment. Here we have our payment. Close bracket, and we got the same amount as here. Now another task. We have present value of loan, duration, monthly payment, and let's calculate interest rate by rate function. Select duration, payment, monthly payment, present value. By this function, we will get monthly interest rate. For calculation of annual interest rate, we have to multiply by 12. We got our 6% as here. And in addition, let's calculate also the duration if we have other parameters. We will use N pair function. Select interest rate divided by 12, payment, present value, and we got 120 months as here. Great! All what we did are correct for loans by constant payments and constant interest rate, which in financial mathematics called annuity. These are the most popular type of loans payment schedule. Let's write here functions that we have used. Okay, now let's explore two more functions for evaluating the investments in some project. let's consider the investment by $1 million amount in 2014. After 1 year in 2015, we got $150,000 revenue. When in 2016, $350,000 revenue, and so on. Now we want to evaluate net present value of this investment and such type of cash flows. At first, let's do it without the main formula. For example, we took 10% return rate for our project. Based on financial mathematics basic course, we can calculate the present value of these cash flows by this formula. 1 divided by 1 plus this rate. Let's fix it. Let's expand these formulas and calculate the sum. It means that the net present value of our project is $245,000. For calculation of net present value in Excel, there is NPV function. Let's write NPV, open bracket. Here select the rate of return and also select the values, the cash flows of the project. Start from here, close bracket, and plus the amount of initial investment. Enter, and we got the same result as here, our net present value. Now, if we want to calculate the real return rate for our project, or in financial mathematics it's called internal rate of return, we can use IRR function. Let's select cash flows. And we got the 19%, which is higher than our rate of return here. And it means that our project is acceptable. If we decrease some cash flows, you can see that internal rate of return is decreasing. And approaching to our rate of return. It is the case when after 4 years we have only covered our investments. These functions are very important for financial analysis in Excel. Thank you for watching.